nutritional anemia is caused by
Dear
the lack
Krishna.
of the iron, protein, vitamin B12, and other vitamins and minerals that are needed for the formation of the hemoglobin. Now, I think you have discussed by the biochemistry and the physiology people what is the hemoglobin, how the hemoglobin is formed, what are the constituents of the hemoglobin. So I will not go into the detail of that. So if the hemoglobin is not formed properly because of the lack of any of the one of the components, that is the iron, protein, vitamin B12 or other vitamins, then this anemia can occur. As the name indicates, nutritional anemia. So nutritional mainly means the diet which we take inside, that is called as the nutritional anemia. In one of the most common part of that is also the folic acid, which we will take in the form of the iron. So as I already told you, it is consists of the iron deficiency anemia and the megaloblastic anemia. There are two types of the anemia. Now, one of that is the iron deficiency anemia. As the name indicates, iron. So when there is lack of the iron, then this type of the anemia occurs. Now, it is the most common type of the anemia. It is an important cause of the microcytic hypochromic anemia in which all three red cell indices, that is the mean corpuscle volume. Now, I don't know what you have any knowledge regarding the MCV, MCH, MCHC, because if university was open, then we will take a class on the practical class in which we will discuss what is the MCV, MCH, MCHC. But I think this physiology people, when you started the blood, they have discuss with you the MCV, MCH, and MCHC. So when all these three indices, which is present in the red cells, they are decreased, then this type of the anemia occurs. And mostly, this iron deficiency anemia occurs in all ages, but especially in the common in the women of the childbearing age, because they get less iron, and then the iron deficiency anemia is always secondary to an underlying disorder. Which are the disorders? There are three major factors which occurs in the nutritional anemia. Increased physiological demand, there is increased physiological demand in children during the period of the growth. When the small child they are growth, they require this type of the
स्टार्ट
diet.
करूं
In women, during their reproductive period of the life, that is menstruation, pregnancy, parturition, and the lactation. Then there is pathological blood loss, inadequate intake. Inadequate diet is a major importance in infants and young children. The long-standing impairment of absorption may result from gastrectomy if there is any problem occurs in the stomach or in the small intestine, then this type of the anemia can occur. What are the main causes, or what are the causes which cause the blood loss from our body? That is uterine bleeding due to carcinoma, or you can say the cancer of the uterus or cervix in the females. There is gastrointestinal blood loss when the patient has a peptic ulcer, or there is any problem called as the esophageal varices. Then spleen ingestion, partial gastrectomy, when there is a C occurs in the stomach, then small part of the stomach is cut down. That is called as the partial gastrectomy. Or there is a carcinoma or the cancer of the stomach, cecum, colon, rectum, bookworm infestation, ulcerative colitis, piles, diverticulitis. It can occur rarely from the urine as the hematuria. What are the clinical features? Mostly when a patient has iron deficiency anemia, what they will come with, what the clinical features he or she will come to the doctor. Mostly they will have a weakness, fatigue. Fatigue means थकावट उसको हो जाएगी. Dyspnea on exertion and palpitation are most common symptoms in older people. Congestive cardiac failure में अगर उसको सांस लेने में बहुत तकलीफ होगी, और जब भी वो सीढ़ी वगैरह चढ़ेगा तो उसको एक्सर्शन होगी, उसको सांस लेने में तकलीफ होगी. Then in the females especially there is menstrual disturbances when the skin will become whitish or yellowish in color, that is called as pallor, or the mucous membrane of our tongue or cheeks, they will become pallor. Changes occur in nails, tongue, mouth, esophagus and hairs, especially in the fingernails. They will become thin, they will become lustreless, which are also called as the dull, or it will become brittle, hard, and show longitudinal ridging and flattening. The nails actually become concave or spoon shaped, that is called as polynesia. In this figure, you can see it. There is iron deficiency anemia, and this type of the nails will occur in this type of the patients. Now there is hard type of the brittle type, and ये देखें टूटे हुए nails इस तरीके के मिलेंगे और ये बाहर निकले हुए मिलेंगे. This is called as polynesia. There is characteristic change in the tongue, in the atrophy of the papillae, a pale, smooth, atrophic, shiny, glazed tongue. Atrophy may be confirmed to the sites involved of full tongue. Now there is also in the mouth, angle of the mouth will be red, and that is called as angular stomatitis. In this figure you can see this type. This is called as angular stomatitis.
उठी खोलो.
Now these are the high rich proteins or the food we
I will.
require, which we require to decrease the iron deficiency anemia. We have to take meat in the form of the chicken, in the form of the liver, beef, or we have to take the iron fortified. We have to take iron in the form of the fish, these vegetables, green vegetables especially we have to take out. Now, this is our part of the pathology. What are the laboratory findings when we said that this patient has iron deficiency anemia? Then I already told you that when there is defect in the hemoglobin, this type of the anemia can occur. Especially in the hemoglobin, the red cell count, the RBCs, the MCV, mean corpuscle volume, and mean corpuscle hemoglobin, they are reduced. The blood film will show hypochromic microcytic, means there will be small cells present in the blood film. The RBCs will become small, and there will be a clear hollow will be present inside that. That is called as hypochromic because there will be less hemoglobin in every cell. Then
सर आपकी
there
आवाज सही नहीं आ रही. सर सबके मिक ऑफ कर दें. बहुत डिस्टरबेंस हो रहा है आपकी वॉइस में.
होगा कहाँ से?
म्यूट ऑल कर दें सर सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को.
नहीं सर इसमें यहाँ पे जूम में ही होगा सर, ऑप्शन होगा म्यूट ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट्स का.
There is white blood cells, they are normally normal. The platelet count is usually normal. The serum iron is ranging usually from 2.5 to 10 micromoles. There is total iron binding capacity, which is called as TIBC, that is rises up to 100 micromole. The serum ferritin level is low, less than 12 milligram per liter. It ranges between 15 to 300 microgram per liter. Now, in this diagram, you can see this is a blood film which shows how the cells they are present in the IDA. Now, here you can see now this is the normal mature cells, how they are filled. You can see how they are filled, how they are large. While when there is IDA, iron deficiency anemia occurs, the cells they will become a small type of the cells. As you can see, small cells, and then there will empty spaces will be present there. Here you can see this is empty spaces, and the shape of the cells they can be pencil shape. There is small hypochromic type of the cells. In this picture, you can clear cut see how is they are the. You can see the red blood cells here are normal, happy. They have a zone of central pillar. Now here you can see this is the empty spaces present inside the cells. So that was regarding the iron deficiency anemia. Now the megaloblastic anemia. Now, megaloblastic again comes with another type of the that is MCV. When MCV levels is decreased to 100 femoliters, that is called as the megaloblastic anemia. And it mostly occurs because of the vitamin B12 that is called as cobalamin, or there is lack of the folic acid, the folate deficiency. So less common causes of that is the abnormalities of the vitamin B12 or folate metabolism. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Now, before we going to the vitamin B12 deficiency, we can see from where we can get the vitamin B12. It is found in the foods of the animal origin, such as liver, meat, dairy products, and the sea fish. Although bacteria in the large intestine also synthesize vitamin B12, but it cannot be absorbed in that site. So it does not. Now you should remember that does not occur any fruit, cereals, or the vegetables as the other iron was present in that. The minimum need of vitamin B for adult is 1 to 4 microgram per day. The storage sites which are major, which are present there, in which we can get the vitamin B12, the total amount of vitamin B12 in the
सर आपकी
body.
आवाज सही नहीं आ रही है।
आवाज सही तो अच्छे भी यार मात करे दोनों पला
Total amount of the vitamin B12 in the body is 2 to 5 microgram, which is adequate for the 3 years. Now, this is usually
Sir, voice पे problem है, please correct the voice.
when the child is born, they will have this type of the vitamin B12 in that body. That is 2 to 5 microgram, and mostly it is present in the liver. When the age grows up, then this requirement is needed, more requirement is needed. If the child has to take the vitamin B12 from the outside, then he will be okay. If he will not take from the outside, then this adequate vitamin, which is for only 3 years, when it will be empty, then the signs of the megaloblastic anemia can occur. Another type part of the megaloblast is the folate. Folate is the parent compound of large group of compounds that are derived from it. Humans are unable to synthesize the folate and thus require preformed folate as a vitamin. Now this chart will show you how this chart will show you the normal intake of vitamin B12 and the folate. Normally, we have to take 7 to 30 microgram of the vitamin B12, and we have to take 200 to 250 microgram of the folate. And mainly, we will get this vitamin B12 from the animal produce only, as I already told you. minimal daily requirement is 1 to 2 microgram, but we have to take in the increased amount of that. That is 7 to 30 microgram, because if any day we did not get it, we can consume from our already storage form. The body will store 2 to 3 milligrams sufficient for 2 to 3
सर
years.
आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही।
Then
सर
there is
आपकी
a
आवाज
drop in
क्लियरली नहीं आ
cycle.
रही है।
Now
सर वॉइस आपकी बहुत कम है सर, सुनाई नहीं दे रही। थोड़ा जो है ना
अब आ-
ये ईयर
हाँ यार
माइक को सर
अब
ऊपर
आ
थोड़ा
रही
मुंह
है?
की तरफ।
अब आ रही है?
जी सर, जी सर, थैंक यू।
Apples and the yeast, and we will require a minimum daily requirement of 100 to 150. But as
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, we have to
सर ये को नौ
increase-
सर ये को नौ कानून बनाया ये को पार्लियामेंट में पास हुआ।
ये आप सब जो कर रहे हैं, आपको शर्म नहीं आ रही है? एक सीनियर पढ़ा रहे हैं और ये आपका हाल है। मैं 3 दिनों से क्लास अटेंड नहीं करी क्योंकि आप सबकी ये जो एटीट्यूड है, आई एम अ स्टूडेंट हियर एंड आई एम हियर टू लर्न।
Oh, shut
के पास जाएगी और आप सबके नाम मैंने नोट कर दिए हैं, ठीक है ना?
ये भाषण
अगर-
देना बंद कर दें प्लीज। भाषण मत
बस
दें।
बस बस बस
अगर ये
बस
भाषण
हेलो
देने
हेलो
हैं
हेलो
तो
हेलो
पार्लियामेंट में
लिसन
जाए।
लिसन लिसन
आप-
भाई।
आप-
जो भी
नहीं नहीं
जो भी
नहीं,
बातें
नहीं।
आप अपने घर वालों को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं।
सर मेरी गाल तो बुझो।
अरे वेट जो भी बातें कर रहे हैं ना, उन्हें पता नहीं है कि वो नाम चेंज करके आएंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा भाई। आपकी आईडीज जो है ना वो नोट होती है आईडी डिपार्टमेंट में।
हम सब
हेलो आई
हेलो सर, आप वॉइस म्यूट।
सर आप सबको म्यूट कर दें सर।
सर किसी से पूछ ले म्यूट कैसे होता है। फिर सबको बंद कर दें, फिर कौन बात करेगा।
सर एक काम करें सर, अल्टर F4 दबाएं। सर अल्टर F4 से क्या होगा कि सर आप सब हम सब जो है ना वो म्यूट हो जाएंगे डायरेक्टली। या ऐसा करें कि आपकी जो जूम मीटिंग ऑन है ना सर, जूम मीटिंग आप जूम ऐप खोलें, उसमें सर अल्टर F4 दबा दें। अल्टर F4 से हम सब जो है, या तो सर ऐसा करें, इसमें साइड में सर लिखा होगा यहाँ नीचे ऑप्शंस में कि सर म्यूट एवरी पार्टिसिपेंट या म्यूट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स। हम सबको आप सब म्यूट कर दें,
मैं कर रहा हूँ।
म्यूट ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट्स कर लें सर। आप जूम वाला सर ऐप खोलें जहाँ पे सर हमारी मीटिंग चल रही है, तो उसमें सर यहाँ पे साइड में ऑप्शन होता है कि सर म्यूट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स।
सर YouTube में वीडियो देखें आपको समझ आएगा।
सर इट्स ओके, आप भले कंटिन्यू करें और कोई शोर नहीं करे बस। अब
सर आप पार्लियामेंट के सामने एहतियात करें बच्चों के लिए सर।
हाँ सर, मैं भी आपके साथ हूँ।
आप लोग प्लीज जो है देखें, सर बड़े हैं और सर कुछ भी नहीं कह रहे हैं हमें, तो प्लीज ना।
अच्छा इतना irritated
नहीं,
है,
अब-
बीच में
नहीं,
कौन दिया है?
नहीं हम छोटों को तो वैसे ही पढ़ाने नहीं देंगे सर, तो बड़े हैं बिल्कुल, सर के लिए इज्जत है, सर रिस्पेक्ट है।
Fight for the 5 minutes, we will end the class. On the basis of the etiology, the megaloblastic can be divided because of the deficiency of vitamin B12, deficiency of the folate, or there
सर
are
अभी भी
some-
आवाज आपकी ठीक से नहीं आ रही।
अब आ रही है। Most common cause of
घर ही
megaloblastic
आवाज नहीं
anemia-
दिया तो।
Most common cause of the megaloblastic anemia is deficiency of
ये
either
क्यों है? ये
vitamin
मतलब
B12
तो
or
करे के चलो है।
vitamin B12 deficiency most frequently results from defective absorption, while folate deficiency is the most commonly due to inadequate dietary intake. This is the mostly occurs when there is a strict vegetarians, then this vitamin B12 occurs because they even does not take the milk and other dairy products. For that, they will got or there is another type of anemia, pernicious anemia, or there is total or partial gastrectomy. When there is stomach is cut down, then there is no absorption of the vitamin B12 occurs, congenital lack of the abnormality, or disease of the small intestine. This will take 2 years. Mostly will take about 2 years to develop the symptoms of the megaloblastic anemia. The pernicious anemia is autoimmune type of the anemia which occurs in these patients. Other causes can be lack of abnormality of the intrinsic factor. There is specific iron to the metabolism of all the gut. Then there is specific malabsorption of vitamin B12. It's usually present in infancy. There is lesser degrees of the vitamin B12. Then serum homocysteine, methyl malonic acid levels may be decreased. And then there are some drugs which will also cause the vitamin B12. Clinical features, there will be neurological involvement, peripheral neuropathy, degeneration, cerebral patients, and patients with vitamin B12 can present with only neurological abnormalities. Folate is the most common, often results of a
सर आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल भी
सर
समझ
आपकी
नहीं आ
आवाज
रही।
बहुत हल्की आ रही है।
excessive
ता
serotonin
5 मिनट मारते करे हो साई पानी
including
एडजस्ट
pregnancy.
कयो भाई
यानी
एडजस्ट
मां
कयो
कीअं
कंदर
करे
में कयो
वेंदा
क्लास में
आवाज
पढ़ण ॾियो
सम्झ
यार।
में न पियो अचे इहो थोरी पाण फ़ाइदो आहे क्लास
चुप
वठण में।
कयो असांखे समझ में अचे पियो यार ईअं डिस्टर्ब पिया कयो सॼी क्लास खे।
Causes of folate deficiency, there is insufficient dietary intake.
सर सर
अरे एनर्जी पी लो, बदन में सुसुरी आ जाएगी।
आवाज बिल्कुल सही भी हो जाए सर।
With lack of green vegetables, I already told you when there is, they are the mostly the green vegetables we have to take out. Deficient absorption, drugs like the anticonvulsant,
हमारे लिए भी छोड़ देना चाचा।
I will show you some pictures in which we will discuss the signs and symptoms. There is megaloblastic, there is pallor, there is white eruptions.
इपोड़ो का कोदा मरे दो।
There is glossitis, a beaky type of the tongue. There is angular colitis, you can see. While in the peripheral blood, RBCs will be decreased, MCV will be 98 to 900, MCH will be increased, MCH will be normal, and pancytopenia can occur. Blood cells you will found in the megaloblastic anemia. Whole macrocytes.
What did the national language?
यार ये नाट करो, सर की आवाज नहीं आ रही।
बच्चों को बाद में पढ़ा देना अपने को, उसमें कमरा बंद कर दो, लोग भेज दो आगे पढ़ने को भाई।
सर ये जमीर अली है, पता नहीं कौन है, यही बात कर रहा है।
माइक्रोफोन म्यूट करो यार, सर जो आवाज समझ में न पियो जे थोड़ो तो ख्याल कर
यार अपने एक्स्ट्रा माइक्स बंद रखो ना, क्या मसला है?
यार केरी कौन बंद यार, यहाँ पे
आप
अभी
खुद
कोई
क्लास
सुनने
ले
वाला
रहे हो
नहीं
ना,
है।
हमें देने
सर
दे रहे हो।
सर आप माइक म्यूट
तमासा मसलो केड़ो आखिर
This is the
ता
last
पांड
slide.
पढ़ो कंदा बेन के भी था
I
पढ़
will
लियो।
end the class. This is the last slide. Then there is how we will
बेटा ये न कयो
diagnose
बंद न कयो पंहिंजी क्लास
megaloblastic
पढ़ो।
anemia. This is the how we will diagnose the megaloblastic anemia. When you will see the slide, there is all macrophytes, there is hypersegmented neutrophils. Distinguish between folate and what is the deficiency, folate or vitamin B12, then we will discuss it. So we will normal require serum vitamin B12, serum folate, and the. Thank you.
सर क्या पढ़ाया आपने?